Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error showing on Instagram. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, you want to open Instagram is showing this type of error. So you want to tap on this view older posts. So as you can see guys, if it is, close this page. And then again you want to open up Instagram and then refresh. As you can see guys, it's again showing. So you want to tap on view all the posts again. So as you can see guys, if it is not showing, so scroll it below. As you can see guys, it's not showing. So you want to close this page and then open again. As you can see guys, if it is showing again all, so view all the post is showing not. So that's it guys for today video. If the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. You have any problem, let me know comment. I have more. Thanks for watching.